Meaning of giant.
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 Giant. The word giant typically refers to a person or thing of extraordinary size. It is often used metaphorically to describe someone who is powerful or influential. In mythology and folklore, giants are often depicted as being mythical creatures with superhuman strength and great stature. The word can also be used in scientific contexts, such as in reference to objects or phenomena that are larger than average. In popular culture, giants have appeared in many forms, from gentle giants to fierce monsters. Overall, the term giant connotes an idea of scale and power.